And we have some breaking news just coming in at this point in time. This is Maharashtra government's sensational admission in the Ambani scare probe. Maharashtra government is now confirming irregularities in the Ambani scare case. Says Parambir Singh's transfer was not routine. Far from it. There were serious mistakes and fair probe was needed in the Ambani scare case is what is being told by the Maharashtra government there. The Home Minister, in fact, of Maharashtra has responded. Let's take a listen.
सगळ्या ज्या घटना घडल्या ती चूक झाली राज्य शासनाची त्याची कबुली म्हणजे परमबीर सिंग यांची बदली आहे.
कसं आहे की जी काल आम्ही बदली केली आमचे आयुक्त यांची त्यामध्ये चौकशीमध्ये काही गोष्टी पुढे आल्या आहेत आणि चौकशीमध्ये ज्या गोष्टी पुढे आल्या आहेत त्या माफ करण्यालायक नाही आहेत. त्या अशा अशा गोष्टी आहेत. त्याच्यामुळे या सर्व चौकशीचा जो पार्शली आम्हाला रिपोर्ट मिळत जातो रोजचा त्यामध्ये ज्या घटना अनेक पुढे आल्या आहेत त्याच्यामुळे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री आणि आम्ही बसून निर्णय घेतला की आपण अशा या परिस्थितीमध्ये चौकशी व्यवस्थित झाली पाहिजे आणि चौकशीमध्ये कोणताही बाधा येऊ नये हा उद्देश डोळ्यासमोर ठेवून आम्ही त्यांना बाजूला केलेला आहे. त्यांना दुसरं पोस्टिंग दिलेलं आहे.
या चौकशीचा जो तुम्ही उल्लेख करता याचा अर्थ परमबीर सिंग यांच्याबद्दल सुद्धा असे काही मुद्दे वाटले म्हणून ही कारवाई झालेली आहे. ही प्रशासकीय रुटीन नाहीये, ही काहीतरी कारवाईचा भाग आहे.
ही प्रशासकीय बदली नाहीये. ही बदली जे आमचा तपास चालू आहे NIA आणि ATच्या माध्यमातून त्यामधले काही मुद्दे पुढे आलेत की ज्या पद्धतीनं पोलीस खात्याचे प्रमुख म्हणजे मुंबई पोलीसचे प्रमुख म्हणून त्यांच्या पोलीस आयुक्तालय कार्यालयात काही गंभीर चुका त्यांच्या सहकार्याच्या माध्यमातून झाल्या आहेत. त्या चुका माफ करण्यालायक नाही, गंभीर चुका आहेत आणि त्यामुळे त्यांची बदली त्यानिमित्तानं करण्यात आलेली आहे. आता चौकशीमध्ये जो काही अहवाल येईल त्यानिमित्तानं पुढच्या जे काही असेल त्यानिमित्तानं कारवाई करण्यात.
My colleague Vidya is getting us more details on that story. She joins us from Mumbai. Vidya, explain to us what is the Home Minister saying about the kind of irregularities that have been seen as far as the probe is concerned, because he says that the transfer was not normal, was not usual, really wasn't routine.
Well, according to the Home Minister, because there should not be any impediment to the investigations being carried out, because there are officers under Parambir Singh who are being investigated. One of them is already arrested, and that is the reason since there should not be any impediment to the investigation, which is the reason why this transfer has taken place. Parambir Singh has only been shunted out is the routine thing, is what the Home Minister is saying, so that it could not affect the entire investigation that is going on. But certainly at this point, there had been a lot of, as we had seen here, the new Mumbai Police Commissioner Nagrale, when he had taken up the entire post yesterday, he had said that the entire image of Mumbai Police was maligned and that it needed to be rectified. So certainly taking a deviation from what the Commissioner had said yesterday, the Home Minister is trying to say that whatever was done was only a routine and there was nothing wrong in that.
That's right. You know, Vidya, this of course is played out in a very different way, with the BJP coming out and saying that Parambir Singh was shunted out to protect his political masters.
Well, as of now, if you look at the entire Fadnavis has been making all these allegations, and he has been saying that Vazir as well as Parambir Singh were only acting on the entire, orders that were being given out by the political leaders, especially the Home Minister, which is the reason why the BJP has been demanding the resignation of the Home Minister. But as yet, NCP or the other ally party do not seem to be in a mood to really let go of the Home Minister's post as yet. They are not really talking about reshuffling of the Home Minister's post, and that is the reason why they are as yet saying that there will be a fair chance that will be given for the investigations that are taking place, and only then will further action be taken.
That's right. Vidya, be with us. In fact, we listen to the Home Minister of Maharashtra once again.
सगळ्या ज्या घटना घडल्या ती चूक झाली राज्य शासनाची त्याची कबुली म्हणजे परमबीर सिंग यांची बदली आहे.
कसं आहे की जी काल आम्ही बदली केली आमचे आयुक्त यांची त्यामध्ये चौकशीमध्ये काही गोष्टी पुढे आल्या आहेत आणि चौकशीमध्ये ज्या गोष्टी पुढे आल्या आहेत त्या माफ करण्यालायक नाही आहेत. त्या अशा गोष्टी आहेत. त्याच्यामुळे या सर्व चौकशीचा जो पार्शली आम्हाला रिपोर्ट मिळत जातो रोजचा त्यामध्ये ज्या घटना अनेक पुढे आल्या आहेत त्याच्यामुळे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री आणि आम्ही बसून निर्णय घेतला की आपण अशा या परिस्थितीमध्ये चौकशी व्यवस्थित झाली पाहिजे आणि चौकशीमध्ये कोणताही बाधा येऊ नये हा उद्देश डोळ्यासमोर ठेवून आम्ही त्यांना बाजूला केलेलं आहे, त्यांना दुसरं पोस्टिंग दिलेलं आहे.
या चौकशीचा जो तुम्ही उल्लेख करताय याचा अर्थ परमबीर सिंग यांच्याबद्दल सुद्धा असे काही मुद्दे वाटले म्हणून ही कारवाई झालेली आहे. ही
असं-
प्रशासकीय रुटीन नाहीये, ही काहीतरी कारवाईचा भाग आहे.
ही प्रशासकीय बदली नाही, ही बदली जे आमचा तपास चालू आहे NIA आणि ATच्या माध्यमातून त्यामधले काही मुद्दे पुढे आलेत की ज्या पद्धतीनं पोलीस खात्याचे प्रमुख म्हणजे मुंबई पोलीसचे प्रमुख म्हणून त्यांच्या पोलीस आयुक्तालय कार्यालयात काही गंभीर चुका त्यांच्या सहकार्याच्या माध्यमातून झाल्या आहेत. त्या चुका माफ करण्यालायक नाही, गंभीर चुका आहेत आणि त्यामुळे त्यांची बदली त्या निमित्तानं करण्यात आलेली आहे. आता चौकशीमध्ये जो काही अहवाल येईल त्या निमित्तानं पुढचे जे काही असेल त्या दिवशी कारवाई करण्यात.
BJP leader Saurabh Bhatia is also now joining us. Thank you for your time. Gaurav Bhatia is in fact joining us. Gaurav Bhatia, your reaction to what has happened with the Home Minister then saying that yes, this transfer had to happen because there were several lapses, and at the end of the day, the buck stops with the police commissioner.
He's absolutely wrong, and as Devendra Fadnavis ji yesterday very clearly mentioned, there are political masters who think that the Mumbai police force is to investigate in the manner that they want. And these political masters and their role needs to be probed. And the sad part is that this three-wheeler does not have the synchronization to ensure that these political bosses and masters and their role is probed and they're brought to book. This is what the people of the country and Maharashtra are waiting for. The khaki cannot be tainted and abused and misused like this Maha Aghadi government is doing.
But there are questions also, Mr. Bhatia, that's being raised about how were the call records of Sachin Waze accessed by the former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis also there. We'll talk about that. Majid Memon of the NCP is also with us. Majid Memon, Parambir Singh had to go is what has been communicated by the Home Minister there. Your take on this entire matter and this revelation that there were lapses in the investigation and that's the reason why Parambir Singh had to go is what the Home Minister is saying.
Well, in a situation like this, it is always expected that the person who is sitting in a powerful position, like the position of Commissioner of Police, who is heading the entire police department, is moved in order to ensure that the ongoing investigation is fairly conducted without any hindrance, without any influence, without any interference. So I think this has been done in the best interest of a fair investigation and probe into the whole episode so that the truth surfaces. And I don't think whether he has committed fault or not, etc., would be a question that can be answered only at the end of the inquiry. We can't just jump guns and start accusing anybody by saying that he has committed a crime. Well, he is alleged to have done something wrong, and whether he has in fact participated in anything which is unbecoming his position as a public servant, then in that event the law will take its own course. But at the moment, at present, since he is at the highest position in the police force and the probe is going on where there is possibility of direct or indirect involvement, so in order to ensure fairness in the probe, he has rightly been moved.
Mr. Memon, I want to ask you a question. It is believed that your party boss, in fact, was in favor of the appointment of Parambir Singh, and that's the reason why, the appointment was made in the beginning, which also has, in a way, prompted the BJP to say that Parambir Singh had to be shunted out, and this is a move clearly to protect his political masters, referring to your government in the state.
No, I don't think. See, Devendra Fadnavis has been waiting for any opportunity, whether it exists or not, create an opportunity to challenge the Aghadi government because he is too anxious to come back to rule Maharashtra, which unfortunately he may not succeed. Now, as far as this particular episode is concerned, Parambir was brought in as the Commissioner of Police because he deserved. He was due to get a position like that or that rank. It is not that he has been given out of superstition of others and all that. So he became police commissioner. He has been working as a police commissioner for quite some time. Now that this controversy has arisen, then his removal from there is only to ensure that there is no allegation of interference in the probe.
All right, Gaurav Bhatia, also Majid Memon, thank you for joining us with your perspective on that story as politics really continues over the transfer of the shunting out